Born up Kentucky where the outlaws roam. The road, shotgun shells and a broken home. Riding around in that pickup truck, smoking that green, living life on the edge, feeling like a king. Late nights at the honky-tonk, sipping on Jack. Cops try and catch us, but we always slip through the cracks. Living fast, breaking rules, we don't give a damn. Born up Kentucky, this is